Meet John. John and his family are struggling to cope with the weather conditions. His home has an HVAC system, but even though it seems to be working flat out, he still can't seem to get a comfortable temperature in his house. John's wife reminded him that they hadn't had the HVAC system serviced for a while, so they decided to call in a qualified HVAC technician. A technician came out straight away and was experienced enough to get the system back to full functionality again. Now, thanks to us, John's HVAC system is working to maximum efficiency and his family is comfortable again. Don't take risks with your home's HVAC system. Contact us today.